Welcome to Abaqus FM. If you're looking to master rock and stone simulation in Abaqus, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm excited to introduce our rock and stone analysis package, a comprehensive training program consisting of 12 workshops designed for engineer, researcher, graduate student, and anyone interested in computational rock mechanics. Rock and stone material behave very differently from metals. Undercutting, impact blasting, and explosion loading, they undergo brittle fracture, fragmentation, crushing, and progressive damage. Accurately simulating these complex behaviors require not only powerful numerical technique but also an advanced constitutive material model. Uh, Throughout this package, we use the Johnson-Homquist or JH-2 material model, one of the most widely accepted constitutive model for brittle materials such as granite, sandstone, concrete, ceramic, and glass, subjected to high strain rate and high pressure loading. The JH model captured pressure-dependent strain rate effect, progressive damage, material softening, and fragmentation, making it an excellent choice for elastic rock mechanics simulation. In addition to the JH2 material model, this package also teaches advanced numerical technique including smooth particle hydrodynamic, couple Eulerian Lagrangian method. These methods are essential for modeling severe deformation, explosive loading, fluid structure interaction, shockwave propagation, and large-scale material failure. Let's take a quick look at what you'll learn. You'll simulate sandstone and granite cutting using rigid cutter and investigate the resulting damage and fracture behavior. Here you can see. You'll learn how to model rock breakage using CBM boring machine or CBM rolling cutter, a key application in modern tunnel excavation. The package also covers high velocity projectile impact on granite, where you'll analyze stress wave propagation, crater formation, fragmentation, and energy absorption. Next, you'll explore SPH simulation, including rigid body impact and high-speed water jet impact on the stone to make hole in the part. You'll then move into advanced blast engineering using the couple-variant Lagrangian method, where you'll simulate blast hole shock wave propagation, internal explosion inside rock here, uh, explosion near protective stone structure, and underground tunnel explosion here. You'll also investigate one of the most advanced case study in this package, underwater explosion. Here you can see on a concrete dam interacting with its rock foundation, allowing you to study structural damage under extremely dynamic conditions. And finally, you learn how to model CNT explosion inside the rock using the SPH method. And after the purchasing for this package, you'll receive everything you need to reproduce and understand each simulation. This includes complete CAE files, IMP files, JSO material model codes, step-by-step HD video tutorial, and reference research paper whenever available. Every workshop has been carefully prepared to guide you through the complete modeling process, from geometry creation and material definition to meshing contact interactions, analysis setup, solver execution, and professional processing. Whether you are a graduate student, a researcher, or industry engineer, this package will help you develop the practical skill needed to perform advanced rock mechanics simulation with confidence. At the end, we have the payment method. The price for this package is 119 euros. We accept PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, cryptocurrencies. All are available. And before payments, contact us through this email here to tell you more about the purchasing process, the payment method, the content of the package, or everything that you need to know. For now, thank you for your attention.